Today we are going to see about subqueries in DBMS. Let's see what is subqueries. A subquery is a query embedded within another SQL query. It is also known as inner query or a nested query. Subqueries enable multiple step data retrieval and manipulation, allowing you to derive results based on the outcome of another query. Subqueries are a powerful tool for complex data analysis and reporting. Let's see the types of subqueries. Subqueries are categorized based on the number of rows they return. They are single row subquery, multiple row subquery and scalar subquery. Let's see about single row subquery. This type of subquery returns only one row as its result. It is typically used with comparison operators such as equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, etc. Next one is multiple row subqueries. This subqueries return multiple rows. It is often used with operators like in, any, all or exist. Last one is scalar subquery. A scalar subquery returns a single value. It can be used anywhere a single value is expected, such as in a select, a list or a var class. Let's explore subquery applications with example. Assume we have two tables, employees and department. Employee tables has employee ID, employee name, salary and department ID. And in department table we have department ID, department name and location. Let's see an example for single row subquery using the table employees and department. Okay, here we have query select employee name from employees where department ID equal to select department ID from department where department name equal to sales. The inner query select department ID from department where department name equal to sales retrieves the department ID for the sales department. Department ID for sales department is 10. So the inner query gives the value 10. The outer query then select employee names from the employee table where the department ID matches the results of the inner query. The result will be John and Peter Jones. These two persons belongs to the sales department. Let's see an example for multi-row subqueries with the same table, employees and departments. Okay. Here we are going to find the name of the employees who work in either the sales or marketing department. Here we have a query, select employee name from employees where department ID in, this is subquery, select department ID from departments where department name in sales and marketing. The inner query, select department ID from department where department name in sales and marketing retrieves the department ID for both the sales and marketing. That is department ID 10 and 20. It gives two rows output. The outer query then selects employee name from the employees table where the department ID is either 10 or 20. So the output is John Smith, Jane Smith, Peter and Mary Brown are the employees of sales and marketing department. Let's see the last one, scalar subquery. Here we are going to find the employees whose salary is greater than the average salary of all employees. The query is select employee name from employees where salary, select average salary from employees. The inner query select average salary from employees calculates the average salary of all employees. The outer query selects the employee name from the employees table where the salary is greater than the calculated average salary. The inner query returns only a single value. According to this query, the outputs are John, Jenny Smith, Mary Brown and David Liu has salary greater than the average salary of all employees. I hope you understand about subqueries and its types. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.